Right now because Natasha, it was just dumping down rain when I drove into work earlier today, much earlier for AM Extra.
Yes. Yeah, that's right. Gosh, like you should be sleeping right now.
I should.
She is asleep.
But
But
oh, come on, Dan.
he's just not nice to me.
Yes.
I'm a
You know
pretty
what?
nice guy.
You're a
You
pretty
can
nice
kick him.
guy. Okay.
Give him a kick. All right, 61 right now, Seaside. Yeah, enough rain, so much so that it's kind of making the camera lens here a little bit cloudy looking out towards the south. It's 61 degrees. Things are starting to calm down now. A few showers left over as the system moves out to the east. You can see draped right across here as you head into Corbett and into the hills, just into Mount Hood and also just outside of Salem. So wind speeds right now, not too bad, about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Still pretty breezy out of the south overall. Right along the coast, anywhere from about 10 to 15. Out of the west, southwest. Now you go over to Madras and the Dalles, and we're still dealing with sustained wind speeds upwards of 25 miles per hour with some stronger gusts. So how windy today? Well, certainly earlier this morning, it was windy enough to knock your garbage can down the street. But now we're kind of in this category where it might still tip over if it is empty. 50 degrees for you tomorrow morning, starting off mostly cloudy by noon tomorrow. You might get just a couple quick showers in the mix, but otherwise won't stick around very long. We are expecting partly cloudy skies by tomorrow afternoon, right there in the low 60s. I just want to remind you, we do have that high wind warning for portions of eastern Washington and north central Oregon. That'll be in effect until 11 o'clock tonight. That's where wind gusts could potentially reach up to about 45 miles per hour. A little bit less than that, though. We're downgrading from the high wind watch that we had yesterday. That wind advisory now in place right along I-84 from Hood River past the Dalles, heading over towards Arlington. That's where wind speeds could range anywhere from 25 to 35 miles per hour. So we expect, again, those winds to start to die down closer to about 10:30, 11 o'clock tonight. Places like Cascade Locks out towards the Dalles and Mount Hood will be anywhere from about 35 to 40 miles per hour. By the time we get to tomorrow morning, most areas just a gentle breeze overall. Wind will still be mostly coming from the west-southwest, including right there in Portland and Salem, between about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Overall pattern is we'll deal with a ridge leading into the weekend, and then things are going to start to flatten out just a little bit more. That will allow for some cooler temperatures and the possibility of seeing a few showers for part of the weekend. Not exactly a soaker, but just enough to get the pavement wet. So taking a look at Wednesday, your temperatures are going to be in the lower 60s overall. We're expecting more of the same, really, from McMinnville down through Corvallis, low to mid 60s, Portland up through Vancouver, right around 62. Morning temperatures in the mid to upper 40s, so certainly some cool mornings. In fact, tomorrow morning, you're likely going to be dealing with some areas of fog, especially west of the Cascades, right there in the valley. Morning temperatures, Central Oregon, closer to freezing. Daytime highs in the low 60s. Pendleton, Baker City, 56, 62, Burns, 59. In the Gorge tomorrow morning, Hood River waking up to temperatures right around 37. Government Camp closer to freezing. Daytime highs just under 50 degrees. The Dalles we're expecting about 64. 7-day forecast looks like this. Notice the overall trend as we get through the next couple of days. We're drying things out. Part of the weekend will be mostly cloudy, and then a chance for showers on Sunday with a high of 60. And then more partly cloudy skies for you next Monday and Tuesday. Highs will be in the upper 50s then and low 60s. But the warmest day, Friday, mostly sunny and 67. KOIN 6 News, we'll be right back.